Right guys, if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say welcome back to another video, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the different card tiers here over at Krypto.com. I'm sure that most of you guys watching this video already know about this, so you can go ahead and skip it, However, if you're interested and don't have a card yet, my link and my referral code is down in the description. I would appreciate if you use that one. We could both get 25 euros worth of CRO for free, or dollars, wherever you're located at, Alright, so today, as you saw, we just received the Ruby Steel card here at my household. It was not for myself, it was for another member in the household. I'm rocking the Jade Green for over a year now, and I'm gonna just show you real quick the cashback I have been receiving from this. So as you can see here, during my last 13 months where I've been using this card, I've received a total of 388 euros back. That's paid out in CRO currency. So every time I paid something with my card, as you can see over here, which I'm doing quite frequently, all the black ones over here means that I pay something, and the green ones is when I top it up. Okay, so every time I pay something, I get 3% back because I own the green card. If you own the blue one, which is a free card to obtain, you get 1% back in CRO. If you own the red one, you get 2% back in CRO. If you own the green one, like I do, you get 3% back. And if you try to use your card as much as possible, it's possible to rack up some CRO over time. So let me show you just how the cashback looks like when they pop up. Those here card cashbacks, all of those are when they pay you back in CRO. So that's 3% of that particular purchase. You can also see here we have the Netflix rebate, which is basically whenever I use this card to pay for Netflix, which is paid once per month, Krypto.com will then pay me back the full price of that smallest membership of Netflix because I own the green card. As you can see here, these are the benefits of each card. The first one, not a lot of benefits, but it's free. You don't gonna stake anything, you get 1% back. For the red one right here, you want to stake 350 euros or $400 I believe worth of CRO token over on the app, which looks like this right here. I've staked 2,152. At the time when I staked it, the amount of CRO that you see here was actually worth 3,500 euros. Since then the price of CRO has dropped a little bit, so actually I'm paying less now to be on the green card tier, but that is what it is. With the red one, you get Spotify for free every month, the same way that I got Netflix on the other one. With the green one, you get Netflix, Spotify, and you get access to an airport lounge. And then you can move up, now we start to talking serious money here. You can stake 35,000 euros or $40,000 and then move up to the frosted rose gold or icy white, or become the big boss, and have the black one, which pays you 8% cashback of every purchase. You gotta stake $400,000 or 3,500 euros, and these are the benefits you get. You get everything back on Spotify, Netflix, and Prime. You get 10% off Expedia, and now we're moving on to just the black one. 10% back on Airbnb bookings. You can go to the airport lounge with a guest. You get access to Krypto.com private, earn bonus rewards, exclusive merchandise welcome pack, and private jet partnership over here. So one day, maybe we're all gonna go up here, since we're early right now. So best of luck to you all. If you want to get 25 euros for free, sign up for one of these cards. You can start with the blue one right here, and then once you find out that actually that's cool, to get some cash back, you can move up to this one here. Once you move up to the red one here, that's when the 25 euros will be released, and we will both gain it. I will not gain anything before you actually move up to this tier, so you will see them in your app, but you will not have access to them before you actually move up. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.